Assalamualaikum. Welcome to another video of AutoCAD. In this video, we'll be drawing another isometric figure. So let's turn on the iso plane. Okay. So first of all, we draw the base, that is 75 and 56 with 18 of height. So I'll draw 75. Okay, this is 75 and change the plane. This is 56 and 75 again and 56. So the height is 18, so we'll go 18 and you can see that I'm continuously changing the plane from F5. If you are using a laptop, you should use the functional key with F5, that is Fn plus F5. So this is 56 again and this is 18. Okay, this is 56 2 and here. Okay, so the base is ready and this is 12 and this is 6, so let's complete this first. 12 and this is 12. Again, I've chosen the wrong plane, so I'll just change the plane. This is 12 and this would be 6 and this is 56 minus 24 is 52 and 32, so 32 and again 6. Trim this out. Okay, and the inner sides as well. Okay, so my base is ready now. I have to make these two circles. So this is 12 units of uh, diameter and it's 15 from this side and it's 28. So let's find the center point first. So from this point it's 15, let's go 15 and then go to 28. Okay, and from this side as well we should go 15, 15 here and 28. This is 15 and 28. Okay, so I have these two centers now, so I'll take this ellipse, that is axis end, and I'll change my plane to the top plane. Okay, it's the top plane and I'll select iso circle and draw the ellipse of the radius is, the diameter is 12, so the radius would be 6. Okay, again I'll take the ellipse iso circle. Don't forget to click on iso circle because you won't be getting this ellipse if you don't select this iso circle. So I'll trim out these. Okay, now I have to make this part. So this is in between. So this is, let's just join these two lines. Make sure you join them with the accurate center. So okay, so I have the center now. So from this, this is 12. So at the center point, I'll go 6, and from this exact center, I'll go 6 and 12 again, and so basically I'll trim this, and from here, from this point, I'll take 12 again. This is just to mark the points. Now you can see that this is going upwards. Basically this is 12, and it's going to the top uh, till this line. So basically we don't know this, but we know the height, that is 100 inclusive of this 18. So, and we know this as well, so we can calculate the uh, hypotenuse, or we could just do one thing, that we should recreate our lines. This is up to you, that how you do it. So this is 63 from this point, inclusive of this 18. So if I just draw this, I can go to 63 above. Just select the exact point. This is 63, and the length from here to here is 100. So you have to move 100 to this side. Okay, then 12 again, and now at this line I'll take this and draw a line of 100 and go to 12, that is the thickness. Okay, so now I can join this point and these 2 points. So I'm taking the line and I'll join this end point. Just make sure the your points are matching, and from this point to the other end point. Okay, so basically this is straight from the center, so we don't have to, this is wrong, so we have to delete this again. We have to come back uh, 36 and then join the lines. So I'll do this part, it's 36, and it's not accurate again. Select these points accurately. This is 36, this is 12 again, and I'll join it here. Okay, one line from here and the other to this side. Now we can trim out a lot of extra lines. You can just simply select them and delete it. This is extra 2, this is extra 2. So let's just delete them all. Okay, alright, so now from this midpoint we have to make these two ellipses. So let's take this sorry, let's take this ellipse again and select iso circle. So this would be our center point, and the diameter is 22, so it would be 11 radius, and another one. Again, just select the exact, this radius is not this 22 and 36 again. So I just select this ellipse iso circle, and I'll draw a ellipse of 11, and one is of 36 diameter, so I'll draw it of 18 uh, of the radius. The radius is 18. So now I have to move this 25 units down. So what I'll do is I'll just copy this and this one. I'll press enter. This would be my starting point, and I'll move it downwards to 25. Okay, so I've moved it successfully. So now I don't need this one, so I'll just trim it out, and I should join these 2 points from edge to edge. So I'm searching for a point over here. Let's trim these first. Okay, and just choose the line command, and not getting the exact point. Again, it's searching the wrong tangent. So okay, let's leave it now for a moment. Let's trim out the other unnecessary objects this is made, and let's join this. Okay, trim out this one as well, and we have to draw this. Okay, so this line, I'm drawing this because I need a point later. that is this point, which I'll be joining it from here. So let's trim out the extra ones. Let's draw a straight line at the down plane. I have got this now. Okay, so it was on the right plane, right isoplane. So now I'll be trimming out my extra and I have to join from this point to here. Is this defined? Let's see where it is. So it's 36, right at this. Draw a line over here. Height is basically 63. So it was 63 minus 25. So that is around 58 and 38. So I'll move 38 from the side. Okay. And this would be the height left. Okay. So let's just trim it out. This part, and this cannot be trimmed yet. Right, it's done. So I just have to join this line to this. Sorry, this line with here. So I will select this line command, and so you can see that for this region there is no uh, clear dimension given, but we have to resolve the dimension by extending our lines. So basically here it is. Now you can see that our drawing is completed. So what will be visible is this base, which is completed, this side and this side. There are two circles, and this is the plane side. I can just add a line if you want to, just so that this is a solid part and not a hollow part. So okay, all right. So we just trim this. This slant part is made, and the cylinder is also being made, and it joins from this. So this was another video of isometric projections. So I haven't added the dimensions. You can just add it on the add a separate layer for dimensions and uh, go for the dimensions. So thank you all for watching again.